Ski County in southeastern Wisconsin, south central Sheboygan County in east central Wisconsin, until 5:30 p.m. At 5:06 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Belgium, or 8 miles north of Port Washington, moving southeast at 15 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Port Washington, Belgium, Fredonia, Cedar Grove, Random Lake, and Harrington Beach State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.